My name is Bas Timmer and I'm the designer and founder of Sheltersuit. Sheltersuit Foundation protects people that are forced to live on the streets by designing and producing protective clothing, like waterproof jackets with attachable sleeping bags called the Sheltersuit, or duffel bags that roll out into a one-person tent. Convertible in a duffel bag, easy to carry away. We make these products in our social factories in Enschede and Cape Town, where we employ formerly homeless people and refugees. All products we make are upcycled materials from dead stocks within the fashion industry. Recently we started a collaboration with AZ Factory.
None of your business.
There we took all the dead stocks of silks and leathers and we upcycled that in beautiful small leather goods and one beautiful backpack. These items create impact because for every bag or small leather good sold, we are able to protect one person that is living unsheltered. So it's a buy one, give one. Together with the team of AZ Factory, we created these products. The design started with our signature backpack. This backpack is fully upcycled, has big pockets on the side, multiple pockets on the front and inside. It's completely upcycled with leather and silks. And from that item we also designed small leather goods, like a small pouch, a bottle bag, a half moon bag, all really colorful and playful. And the cool thing is to me is that it's protecting a person that is forced to live outside with the buy one give one method. Love brings love, brings love again. When you buy an AZ Factory X Sheltersuit product, Sheltersuit Foundation guarantees a shelter bag is being delivered to a person that is forced to sleep on the streets. So by buying, you're doing good, people helping people, love brings love again. And in collaboration with Net-a-Porter, exclusively sold on Net-a-Porter. People helping people.